Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter named What I Can Be When I Grow Up by Sweta Sharma. Kids, do you know what is occupation or job? It is some work you do for a living and supporting your family when you grow up. So, let's start the chapter. Hi, I am Ram. My parents, relatives, and my friends' parents all have such great jobs. They call it their occupation. I am confused about what I want to be when I grow up. I can be a pilot. Pilots fly airplanes. They go to the airport every day and fly passengers to different countries. I can be a scientist. A scientist invents and discovers things. Scientists have invented television, computers, satellites, medicines, and many other things. They help us understand the world and make it better for us to live in. I can be an engineer. An engineer designs and builds big machines, engines, bridges, roads, buildings, dams, flyovers, and tunnels. I can be a doctor. Doctor helps sick people get well. They work in hospitals. I can be a social worker. A social worker help old and poor people and people in need of help. I can be a lawyer. A lawyer works in a courtroom and helps us in getting justice. I can be a chef. A chef cooks food in a restaurant. Being a chef could be exciting because you get to cook and taste so many types of food. I can be a soldier in the army and protect our country from enemies. I can be a teacher. A teacher teaches us math, science, English, and many other subjects. He or she gives us knowledge. I can be a journalist. A journalist writes for newspapers and magazines about current events and other information. I can be a policeman. A policeman is a member of the police force. His job is to prevent crime and keep order. A policeman also sees that the laws are obeyed. There are so many choices. I wish I could be all of them. So, which occupation do you like most? What do you want to be when you grow up? We will talk about that in our next class. Till then, keep studying, stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye.